Hello and welcome to the Netdata version 1.37 release notes. In this release, you will find infinite scalability of the Netdata ecosystem. At Netdata, we love high-fidelity monitoring. We want granularity to be per second as a standard for all metrics, and we want to monitor as many metrics as possible without limits. The only way to achieve that is by scaling out. Instead of centralizing everything into one huge time series database, we have many smaller centralization points that can be used seamlessly all together like a giant distributed database. This is what Netdata Cloud does. It connects to all your Netdata agents and seamlessly aggregates data from all of them to provide infrastructure and service level dashboards and alerts. Database tiering is now enabled by default. Most users think of Netdata Agent as an amazing single-node monitoring solution, offering limited real-time retention to metrics. This has changed slightly over the years as we introduced the Engine for storing metrics. With the introduction of database tiering at the previous release, Netdata can downscale metrics and store them for a longer duration. Netdata Cloud Overview Dashboard Improvements. The Overview Dashboard is the key dashboard of the Netdata ecosystem. All our efforts go into improving this dashboard so that it will eventually be meaningless to use anything else. Unlike the Netdata Agent dashboard, the Netdata Cloud Overview dashboard is multi-node, providing infrastructure and service level views of the metrics, seamlessly aggregating and correlating metrics from all Netdata agents that participate in the quorum. Integration with Grafana for custom dashboards. This initial release of the Netdata Data Source plugin aims to maximize the troubleshooting capabilities of Netdata and Grafana, making them more widely available. It combines Netdata's powerful collector engine with Grafana's amazing visualization capabilities. PostgreSQL monitoring improvements. Netdata's new PostgreSQL collector offers a fully revamped, comprehensive PostgreSQL DB monitoring experience. 100+ PostgreSQL metrics are collected and visualized across 60+ composite charts. Netdata now collects metrics at per database, per table, and per index granularity. Make sure to also check the description below where you will find our array of use cases and the demo spaces that accompany them. And these are our highlights, but there are even more at our full release notes. So make sure to take a look in the description. Thanks for watching, make sure to stick around for more.